People who care for others during some of their toughest times now making a statement tonight that they need to be cared for. Hundreds of nurses at Ascension Seton Medical Center are ready to go on strike. The National Nurses Organizing Committee and National Nurses United Group approved a one-day strike if the company doesn't meet their negotiating terms.
Now, the union says nurses want to improve patient safety and secure competitive wages to keep Austin nurses working. KXAN's Tahir Rahman spoke to a nurse about their needs.
Nurses United! Union nurses at Ascension Seton say they've been negotiating with their employer since November.
It was time to escalate and to really, drive the point home that we can't wait any longer.
Lindsay Spinney says they need competitive pay to get and keep workers.
We're able to have the support staff that we need. We're able to have the supplies that we need.
Ascension Seton says they'll continue to bargain in good faith, but if nurses strike, the company has a comprehensive contingency plan in place to ensure patients experience no disruption in care or service. Spinney says they'd give a 10-day notice so that the hospital can cancel or delay surgeries and hire temporary staff.
Those temporary staff won't be as productive as people who are used to working in the hospital.
Healthcare expert Christy Loescher says new faces might hurt handoffs between nurses and doctors.
Those are dangerous times because information can be lost. And so when you have staff that don't know each other, that creates potential problems.
She points to research from the National Bureau of Economic Research. It studied nurse strikes in New York over 20 years and found that in-hospital deaths increased by over 19% for patients admitted during a strike.
So now a one-day strike is not going to cause that kind of impact, but strikes do have a direct impact on patient safety and patient care.
Honestly thought about it.
Nurses hope it doesn't get to that point and they can agree on a contract with Ascension soon.
It would be to everybody's best interest to avoid a strike.
Tahira Rahman, KXAN News.
The nurses union groups say they have another negotiating session coming up in the next couple of weeks, and they haven't decided when to strike, but they will give 10 days notice if they plan to.